what are you trying to sell? If you're trying to sell photography, you're just like another used sales car dealer, right? So you want to sell the experience. So you want to start talking about prints on the very beginning of the conversation with the clients. Okay, so that's how they start understanding what it is. You need to show them the value. Do not expect that your clients know the value of prints, because they don't. We live in a digital age. Everybody, honestly, we never taken so many pictures now, and you have so little memory, because how many times you guys have done this, has happened to me. How many times I'm talking to a bride, oh, let me show you a picture, and she just keeps scrolling. She can never find a picture. We taking way more pictures than we ever taken before, but we have no memories, because it became something just very banal. It's just like boom, 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 and then you're not really pay attention to what you're doing. So stop selling photography, start selling the experience, start selling the memories, start selling what I'm giving you is something that you're going to cherish forever. Because for me, at least, if I don't sell the prints, if I don't provide the prints to my clients, it's like if I go to the KFC, for instance, right? I go to KFC and I buy a bucket of chicken, and they give them the raw chicken, a bucket, and say, now you go out there, there's a stove out there, you go there and fry it. It's an incomplete service. Let's stop this nonsense of shoot and burning. There's no money on that industry, guys. There's no way for you to move forward shoot and burning unless you shoot in volume, a lot of clients every day.